First, go to Docker's official website and download Docker Desktop for Windows. Install it, make sure WSL2 is enabled, and restart your system. Once it starts, wait until you see Docker is running. Next, install WSL and Ubuntu. This gives you a Linux environment to run NanoClaw smoothly. Now, open your terminal and run this command. Wait for the setup to complete. This will create your NanoClaw workspace. Next, install Claude using this command. Now run these quick start commands. Now we connect AI models using OpenRouter. Open your bash config file, nano.bash.rc. Add your OpenRouter API key and these environment variables. Then restart your terminal. You can use paid models like Mimo Pro or free models using OpenRouter Free. This lets you run AI workflows at zero cost. That's it. You've now installed NanoClaw and connected it to AI models. If you want the full guide or run into issues, check out the article or reach out